climbed up to Mount Kinabalu. Look at it, look at that. We're very excited. It's snow-capped. No, not really. Tell them what it is, darling.
It's cloudy. It's quite windy up there this morning. Hopefully no wind tomorrow. We want no wind.
But we're very excited. Smile. Smile, smile. There's another shot of the mountain. Mount Kinabalu. Looks beautiful. We're here at Hiking Central. Here's my lovely wife. Are you excited? This is one of our friends, Barbara. She's excited. And there's Matthew. They're all excited. And there's Gemma.
I'm more excited than that. Come on, take it off. Take it off.
Bogey Bar.
How are you? Good. Excited?
Yeah.
Nervous?
Yes.
Nervous?
Yes.
Nervous. Last nervous week. Fine. Right. Okay. I hope everyone can listen and hear me clearly. Yeah. So I will talk about the safety briefing. Laban Rata. Yeah. So just to remind you, we have a 2 danger zones, right? Where? And, yeah. 1.5, yeah. 1.5 and 3.5, yeah. 3.5 as well. So 1.5 we don't allow to stop, yeah, you just keep moving. And 3.5, yeah, they have a big sign, and yeah, it's in your side, yeah, there's like hill that become like landslide area, right? So yeah, like I explained last night.
Here we go. This is the very start of the walk. Okay, we're at kilometre 1. It's taken us 29 minutes. How do you feel, Dar?
Hot and sweaty, but feeling pretty good actually.
Yeah, it's
Hot, sweaty and thirsty.
it's uphill.
Yeah.
Don't be mistaken. This is uphill right from the onset. We'll make it. Oh no. And we're still happy.
All supplies are carried up the mountain on a porter's back. Check this bit out.
Four and a half Ks. It's taken 40 minutes to do half a K. It's getting steeper. It's getting tougher. There's more people sitting on the side of the track resting. Until we're getting at altitude, have a go at the what is it, darling?
The bare naked bar. The
Bare naked bar. It's all blown up.
Pressurized.
And that's my wife there, by the way. Hi. That's our guide. That's Jeffrey. Hi, Jeffrey.
Hi.
Where are we? Quick, tell us. Quick.
We're at the 5 kilometre marker. 3,000 metres above sea level.
And how do you feel?
Oh, good. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be awesome.
It's 10 past 2, so you did it in good time.
Yeah, very good.
I'm a little bit disappointed that I couldn't bring me drone, but I suppose it's that windy up here. I'd launch it and I'd never find it again, so And I didn't have to carry it, so that was great. Here we are, Laban Rata.